In this video, I'm going to show you a technique on how you can edit images that you've shot in very sunny and harsh light conditions. So to give you a quick story, a couple of days ago I was out with some friends. We were hiking, we had a wonderful time, it was awesome conditions, great weather, but it's not the best photography conditions. But I still quite like this image, I like the composition, and I just wanted to show you an edit I've done to give you some ideas on how you can edit these images, because I was really happy at the end of it. First of all, I'm going to select my camera profile because I like the colors quite a lot more. You want to try around with that. Adobe Color, it can work in certain situations, but often it's not perfectly fine-tuned for the information that your camera provides you, so you want to play around with that. I think I'm going to increase the temperature somewhat, increase contrast definitely. I want structure, clarity, dehaze on. Quite strongly increase dynamic and saturation, like the vibrance saturation, sorry. The real trick comes down here in the calibration slider, so you want to play around with the colors and also the saturation. So for example, in this case, it has very strong blues and very strong greens, which is usually not seen as ideal photography conditions, but I'm going to lead into that and emphasize that to have this very strongly saturated image. I think I'm going to go down a little bit again because this looks super harsh. And now I can obviously do all these adjustments over here, but I think I don't need it because you can see the image already looks somewhat cool. I think I'm going to go down and make the sky a little bit less blown out. Yeah, maybe something like that. And now the image looks already quite cool. So the real trick in this instance is to use the calibration slider, because you can change the color tones in a way that you can't affect them in any other way, and this is where you can get the most out of your images. As I said, in this approach I emphasize the already strongly saturated colors to really make them stand out, and I think it works quite well in this instance. If you're interested in more techniques like that, I have a photography course, first link in the description, you might be interested in that.